There we go. In today's video, I am just going to be basically ditch hopping, pond hopping. I'm looking for snakeheads, iguanas, peacock bass, and pretty much anything else I'll hit. I'm throwing top waters. I got some finesse baits. So I'm just gonna be walking these canal systems, looking for ponds and hoping that I can get on something. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll get right into it. Oh my God, dude. Oh, bass. I guess the tip broke off and I basically just super glued a little noose to the end. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's at least like 50 iguanas on this one little piece. None of them will let me get close enough to them to try to get this around their neck. I think they know. They have to know. Look at this. They're all running. Look at that. I got another plan. My plan right now is to just kind of snag on whether they're on land, swimming across. See if I can't just get a hook in one. Got one. I got this one, guys. 100% this one's mine. I am going to be taking this iguana. I have friends and co-workers who've asked me that if I came down here to bring them iguanas. So it's not like this animal is just going to be dying for no reason. So that right there is iguana number 2. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go euthanize this iguana. Place it in the cooler. He's actually eating the lure, guys. What? Guys, you saw that? Guys, he ate the lure. He ate the lure. Guys, this iguana actually ate the lure. Look at that. He's hooked in the mouth. Just look at that, guys. He ate the lure. You could see the lure in his mouth. That's crazy. I gotta run to my truck to get pliers to get this out. I'll see you guys back at the truck. Hold on. Okay, guys. I didn't want to show y'all that. Basically, if you want to know what I did, I took a knife right behind the head and severed the spine. You have to give them a quick, humane death. And that's what I did. Gonna see if I can't get a couple more here, and I'm gonna try a different spot for snakeheads. Another little bycatch. Look at this little guy. Smashed it as soon as it hit the grass on the other side. Decent little big bass. I got one. He's wrapped around that little pipe. I can't get him out. Oh, there we go. There we go. Dude, look at the size of that snake, actually. Oh, dude, they're so slimy. Dude. He's longer than my cooler, and my cooler is 24 inches. So he's at least like a solid, probably 27-inch fish. This is a beast of a first snake of the day. He's going on ice though. We're gonna do a catch, clean, and cook with this guy. I'm gonna get him to eat this. Oh, I got one. Oh, I got one. I got one. Oh, I snagged him, no. Oh, I snagged him. All right, guys, well, there you go. Decent peacock. Because he didn't eat it, he was gonna eat it, but I snagged him. I'm gonna let him go. Ow! Look at that. Almost got me real bad. There we go. Little guy. Chopped it right in front of him with that 3-inch NLBN. Crushed it. Actually, I'm gonna go back to my truck to get pliers because, yeah, that's in there good. All right, guys, it's been about a good 4, maybe more hours. I've been to several different places. I have not managed to get on anything. So I might have to end it early, I don't know yet. We're gonna see. I got this one more spot. Hopefully I can get on something else. Dude, I got the big alpha. He is pissed. Guys, look at the size of this alpha. Look at that alpha. Jesus, dude. Look at the size of that thing. Dude, look at the size of this thing. Jesus. I'm gonna switch to my phone, hold on. Look at the size of this alpha, guys. Oh my God. I saw him sitting up on the other side of the bank and I knew he wouldn't let me get close enough to him, so I threw my frog at him until I finally snagged him. It took me probably like 50 casts, if that, before I finally managed to get one in. And the hook wasn't even in him. It was like on his skin. It wasn't even hooked in him. I'm surprised I got him. It just goes to show you what their skin's really like. Look at his tail shedding. He was getting bigger, but not anymore. This guy's going in the cooler, guys. This guy's going in the cooler. All right, guys, so if you've made it this far into the video, I just want to go ahead and say thank you guys so much if you made it this far into the video. This was going to be a catch, clean, and cook, but I really didn't want this video to be super long. So the next video I post is going to be the clean and cook portion of what I was going to put into this video. But if you guys watched this entire video, you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share it, turn on that bell notification, and I'll see you guys next video, hopefully.